Namaskar. Welcome to Vidya Retreat. I am your host Himani Vashisht and welcome to my Panchkarma complete tutorial course. In this video, I will be talking about classical Panchkarma procedures and about the classical Panchkarma, what it is. In India, from centuries, or I should say from time immemorial, Panchkarma is used for cleansing process. Especially in South India, Panchkarma is widespread and it's very famous. There are people, professionals who are trained for years and years in India for Panchkarma. They can just look at the reactions of the patients and can say and can tell about their experiences, how they are feeling and how it's working on them. They get trained to that level. So in India, basically we are having two sort of Panchkarmas. They are more famous. One is Kerala Ayurveda, Kerala Panchkarma. Another one is classical Panchkarma. On this Panchkarma tutorial, I will be putting main emphasis on classical Panchkarma procedures. Also, I should tell you the distinction, the difference between two of them. It's not like some big difference. Kerala Ayurveda, it is basically practiced more in South India and especially the state Kerala in South India. And Kerala Ayurveda that puts more emphasis on preparatory methods, more on like external factors, more on external cleansing. But more on external cleansing, detoxification. I should say Kerala Ayurveda puts more emphasis on rejuvenation. But in this Panchkarma tutorial course, I am going to cover each and everything. I hope this is a good news for all my viewers who are following this Panchkarma tutorial course. So I am going to cover each and everything, all the aspects of Panchkarma in this course, not only the external factor, not only the external cleansing or the rejuvenation process. I am going to cover each and everything that is mentioned in ancient textbooks, that is mentioned in Charak Samhita, Sushruta Samhita. Charak Samhita is basically written by the ancient Ayurveda Indian physician Charak. That is the most ancient text, the most comprehensive text on Ayurveda. So I am going to follow Charak Samhita in this tutorial. According to Charak, Panchkarma consists 5 major treatments. These 5 major treatments are Vaman, Virechan, Anuvasana Basti, Niruha Basti, Nasya. Vaman. Vaman means vomiting. Vomiting, that is purgation of the body with the help of medicated decoction. Vaman. Then we have Virechan. Virechan is purgation of body with the help of medicated oils, herbs. Anuvasana Basti. Basti, in this we give enema. In this we have Anuvasana Basti, we have we give medicated oils for nourishing. This is basically nourishing enema. Then we have Niruha Basti. Niruha Basti, that is more about purification, cleansing. Purgation enema, in this we use more about herbs and we use medicated water also. Then we have Nasya Karma, that is purgation through nasal using oilation, ghee. So this was all about the classical Panchkarma procedures. In my next video, I will be talking about the three main stages of Panchkarma. So stay tuned, press the bell icon. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe my channel. Till then, Namaskar, Dhanyavad.